In workplaces where the risk of serious injury is significantly higher, a standard EFAW and FAW course may not provide enough training to fully prepare employees for severe medical emergencies. Additional advanced first aid training is strongly recommended for these high-risk environments to ensure first aiders have the necessary skills to manage life-threatening injuries until the emergency services arrive. Some workplaces present more significant dangers due to the nature of work, the equipment used, and the hazardous materials handled. These environments include construction sites, where there is a risk from falls from height, crush injuries, and power tool accidents. Factories and warehouses, where they are exposed to heavy machinery, conveyor belts, and forklifts, increase the chance of severe trauma injuries. Agriculture and forestry, which includes use of equipment such as chainsaws, animal-related accidents, and working in remote locations. Oil, gas, and offshore industries, where the risk of explosions, chemical burns, and extreme environmental conditions. And the final one we'll look at is security, enforcement, and emergency services, where there is a potential for violent incidents, major trauma, and firearm or knife injuries. Because of these hazards, employees in high-risk environments need specialist first aid training beyond the basic syllabus of EFAW and FAW. A high-risk version of EFAW and FAW courses includes the standard syllabus, but also incorporates additional life-saving techniques. It suits high-risk workplaces with small teams or isolated workers who need immediate medical response training. For some industries, further training beyond high-risk FAW may be required, such as advanced trauma and catastrophic bleed control for security, enforcement, and high-risk industrial roles. Confined space first aid for workplaces where injuries may occur in restricted or hard-to-access environments. Drowning or cold water shock response, which is critical for marine, offshore, or water-based industries. And finally, advanced first aid responder training, which provides skills that go beyond FAW, including the use of medical gases and advanced wound care. Employers in high-risk industries must carefully assess their first aid needs and ensure they have a sufficient number of first aiders that are trained appropriately for their environment. The right specialist first aid equipment, including critical injury kits, trauma dressings, and additional PPE. And finally, clear emergency response plans, especially for workplaces in remote locations where help may take longer. By investing in high-risk FAW and EFAW training, businesses can significantly improve workplace safety, ensuring that life-threatening injuries are managed effectively while waiting for professional medical assistance.